10 seconds. Edwards. And Gobert is down. Edwards on the drive, puts it in. But Gobert needs to get help to his feet. Gobert, another block. Edwards. Oh, the finish off the window. Kessler with 2 impressive blocks.
Going 3 or 4 from outside the arc.
Edwards to the rim. Yes. He's been so good all the.
He has been so steady. Thank you, Paris. Mark Dednold said, if you're dressed, be ready. What a move. And Edwards somehow chiseling his way to get up on Edwards. Now the switch. Henrich going to work on Edwards. On the #1 pick. And boy, Anthony Edwards got himself the first quarter. Stick with what you're working on. Wait for it to turn. Edwards. A little ball fake there. Got Baisley up in the air. Anthony Edwards. Not that time. A third opportunity for Minnesota. Good job. Engage Edwards. That is Anthony Edwards for you. Just take the shot. Minnesota one opening night and lost to Utah. And now the floodgates have opened. Edwards going the distance. Edwards on the floor. Edwards sides up Waters sticking with him. That is just such a tough shot for Edwards.
Edwards taking his time. Trying to get the 2-for-1 here. Spins in the lane. Off the glass for 2. Minnesota gets first crack at it. Towns took a shot. Edwards for 3. Splash.
You see the first possession, D'Lo sprinting back.
Active defensively. 10 seconds. Edwards, the step back. Rolls in! Oh, they won some. Ball game approaching 2 minutes to go. Edwards stops on McDermott and cashes. Haven't been able to score it that well. Lowest scoring team in the NBA. But they are 4th in defensive efficiency. Edwards hits a 3. It's not what you want on the floor. He's missed as many games as he has played in since the bubble. 80 games played, 79 games missed. Edwards, mid-range.
How much of the bloom is off the rose for
15 rebounds on the night. Edwards in attack mode, gets the lay-in.
You got to let great players characterized by a guy sharing the basketball, right? And that's what Edwards feeling it.
Oh, he's hot. Edwards staring down Gabriel. The step back 3. Money! Anthony Edwards.
And he's starting to wanting to get on track. Came back on defense. Edwards. Anthony Edwards. He is so physical. Sounds the other way. Anthony Edwards. Stuck on 9. Until there, Knights his way in. He got the Giannis assignment when Houston played against Milwaukee.
Edwards. Oh! That's #1, ladies and gentlemen.
And good patterns. They're trying to turn their season around. All positive, uplifting words and body language. They like their offense. The ball moves.
See some frustration on the offensive side, but not with Mr. Edwards.
Edwards, guarded by Osman, pulls up mid-range. Anthony Edwards, three-point shot, straight away, backs it down.
This is a team that plays at a energy and effort. It's not about size all the time. That was just an effort play. Right face, right time. Oh my goodness!
Look out!
He's the mentality. He just had to get back to that.
Yep. Here he goes again. This time he'll take the long 3, and that's good. He's got 32.
They try to figure things out.
Well, the guys who work hard, they stand out.
And are they going to give him continuation?
Should at least look at the basket when he's got the ball at the foul line.
Edwards. Okay.
Edwards was great.
him get.
Edwards. Oh, the step back on Strus. Oh, baby!
At a 14-point, 15-rebound game. He's guarding Anthony Edwards right now. Hey! Edwards up and under.
He was trying to guard. You got to watch Towns being guarded by Buddy Hield.
Edwards against Neesmith. Tough shot.
Yeah, you're right. Different tint. Anthony Edwards, that's a big-time move. 10 at intermission. Now to one possession game. Anthony Edwards settles. That's not much of a settle. You can stroke it like that. Man, he's deep. Third three-pointer for the...
Good hands by Thompson. Edwards now. Oh, putting the moves on Wiggins, and he scores. Anthony Edwards.
In the first quarter, so really it's been 2 quarters plus. You know, you're talking about both ends here in the fourth quarter and then the last 4 minutes of the first quarter. So
off a more screen. Matched up with Robinson Earl with 8 on the shot clock. In the lane, got the guys in the air and put it through. We're tied up at 69.
just his last 14 attempts.
Edwards. Oh, stops on a dime and got it to fall. 14 points for Anthony Edwards. Edwards, patient. The pull-up for 2. Anthony Edwards, first point.
Help get him open. Nice to see Anthony using that vertical.
And to get a bucket early.
Yeah, get a taste.
Shooting 38% as a team from three-point range, putting him in the top 5. Finding real estate outside and using it to their advantage. They've hit 2 of 3. Anderson bouncing to Gobert, diving in, double team, out to Edwards, he'll launch and score.
Moving targets right now with the ball in their hands or without, and it's hard for Minnesota to match up. Okay, excuse me. Okay.
Edwards, is he doing anything different against the double teaming scheme? Well, there he makes the 3 before it arrives. Well, what they're doing worked out in Stan Remy's gym down in Miami this summer against a bunch of NBA players. Edwards knocks down the mid-range jumper.
Goes right back to Edwards. Dort contested, hand in the face. Edwards still able to beat it from deep. To come up with some loose change around the basket. Cashing those chips. But the 9 points off the bench for Eugene Omarui. As Edwards gets fouled on the 3 in the closeout.
Edwards. Go step back on DeRozan is good. Anthony Edwards not. It is a 3-point party. Edwards now driving on Caruso. Oh, get out of the way! Edwards with the throwdown. To avoid a 4-game losing skid. Coming off the blowout loss to the Knicks. The pull-up from Edwards. Oh, money!
Defender.
Edwards, mid-range, pure.
See if Jason Kidd goes back fender. He's gonna back you down and make you pay. It's a couple times we've seen that now.
Edwards got a 3. They call it a long 2. Taking his time. 5 seconds. The pull-up, mid-range, good. Anthony Edwards, tight route. Edwards through the double, flying in and scoring at the rim.
Edwards looking to work on White, spin to the basket, and he makes it home. Edwards, Tatum defending.
Wow. He had 1 pull-up where the
Celtics more factor scouts, you pointed out, as the game went on. Touches, does things like that.
He's so explosive. He is always...
Back to Edwards. Off the bounce. Takes a step. No, gets 2. That's a nice finish. Nice Edwards looking for some help. Horford takes his basket. He got two.
Man, he's just exploded by Horford.
Edwards against Hero, comes right past him and scores. He made that look easy. 20 inches, going to speed Caleb. Now Max on the switch. Edwards on the runner, banked it in, and it will count.
This is the guy they can take them to the next level.
And see, this is what I mean. But the ball doesn't move from side.
And a good look at the end of the shot clock. Anthony Edwards, he'll get his before it's all said and done. And he got there.
He's strong, man.
Right.
He's strong. When he sees Devon.
Anthony Edwards. A couple of first overall picks going at it. He's going to get to his strong side and finish. I haven't seen him go left. 8 turnovers already. Need to clean that up. They're not shooting at a high percentage of the paint. Edwards with rhythm gets the mid-range. He can do that. Edwards. Got to guard the rim because he's going for it. On the reverse. You saw that coming, didn't you? Edwards, because Jonas just don't bite. Jackson up against Edwards. He's trying to blow his way to the rim.
Oh my goodness gracious!
What a play by Anthony Edwards.
Back to the basket, post-up play. And he had to work on that, develop that. Kind of slowly working his way back to three-point territory. Edwards gets another bucket. Edwards between the legs, trying to take Marjan to work.
That's a great play by Anthony Edwards at both ends. He didn't quit on the turnover, able to out.
King in the third quarter.
Hey, Joe, want to give it a go? Nice job on the step back. Well,
Edwards sizing up Burks. Cash! Edwards sizing up Bagley now. Wants another three and got it. Red hot.
That's like that.
Edwards to the basket. The reverse goes down.
See that coming.
Edwards, 5 on the game clock. Drives the Euro, puts it in at the horn. Anthony in the West. Edwards driving inside, got 2.
So point guard, no problem. No. You know?
Ball movement's been terrific. This is an ISO situation. 29. And on the shot clock for the Wolves, Edwards, 5 to work with. Gonna have to make a play on Grant. Fires and connects on a tray.
Making a play. Well done by Jeremy Grant. He did it the first half too.
Said yes. Edwards is at a rough.
Listen, Utah, by the way, if he's not in the restricted area, you're really kind of misusing Rudy.
Edwards, the blow by and the lane. Like that matchup, with it up. Edwards, the blow by. Oh, the lefty leg.
We're seeing it every game now, right? We're seeing the explosion to the basket.
You got to want to play defense, and that's why you appreciate guys like Jayshawn Tate being back in the lineup. He brings it. That's your guy, Craig.
Edwards, he can final seconds of the first quarter. Edwards on mark, gonna ISO. Now he'll shoot. And he'll make another 3 at the buzzer.
It's hard for the referees. If they want to get a second look at something, I think last 2 minutes they should be able to want Anthony Edwards there.
So much for the 20.
Edwards trying to get to the basket and does. Corkscrew scoop and score.
Russell back to Edwards, sizing up Bridges. The pull-up. Money!
Jake McDaniels did guard him a lot in that game, especially in the second half of that game.
The tap dance in the pull-up. Pure. Long 2 from Edwards.
Here's Edwards, 8 second quarter points for him. 3 seconds to go. Edwards driving, gets past his man, and finishes with the lay-in. Hunter. And the 90th career triple-double for Nikola Jokic, the most ever by a center. Anthony Edwards working on the other end. High off the window, Jokic is down, took a shot to the face, holding his jaw.
One-on-one with Siakam. The pull-up. Cash! We're up. Minnesota getting first crack at it. Edwards. Little fade away on Eric Gordon.
Had a great game against Rudy Gobert early on. That didn't do anything in the second half. His hand explodes again.
Oh, a blow by this time. Fade away.
Lasting league and effective field goal percentage is Anthony Edwards. It's the mid-range to go. What a move.
Edwards with 35 tonight. Driving, mid-range, three-level score.
Ruben, Anthony Edwards.
Rockets are out rebounding the Wolves by 12. Shot clock is off. Long two off the step back. Edwards. Well, the net barely moves. Clean. No reason to foul here whatsoever if you're the Rockets. Edwards. Oh, no goodness.
Good decisions are required. 6 turnovers already. Mid-range.
So good.
Yeah, it's like a layup for him.
Yeah, but he does such a good job at creating space with this.
Going to be a turnover. Anthony Edwards stands on the floor as they give Russell a break. He got a rhythm for his three, and he gets it. Yeah, there was
baseline outside. Edwards didn't like the shot. Driving, lefty lays. He's hard on himself at times. He's had some other, game winners that he missed, and it gets hard on himself. Anthony Edwards. Edwards sizing up Keegan Murray. The pull-up goal. Anthony Edwards.
Moved that time into his midsection, faked it anyway.
Edwards, lefty leg. Timeout, Sacramento.
That's another missed layup inside that is missed when he's not in the game.
Edwards got another three. 3 threes to off the bench. Here's Edwards. The pull-up. Oh, he's got 16 in the quarter. 24. It's Edwards and Hurd. The pull-up. Gonna have to make a play. 6 on the shot clock. He's got some bonus on. Oh, between the legs. Step back. Got it. See if Edwards can make something happen. The pull-up over Murray. Edwards. Wolves desperately need something, and they get a lay-in. They're shooting just 20.
The baseline jumpers, he's knocking down at a high rate in the mid-range.
See what he does here. It's a pull-up. Knockdown. Beating the clock. Here's Edwards. Defended by Keegan Murray. Edwards, the pull-up.
That is unreal. You've got to take advantage of this stroke of luck.
Mid-range pull-up. Goal! Edwards, the fist pump. Look at the viral video. I got to be.
Well, I mean, we all did.
Edwards off the window.
This game.
McDaniels looks like he's in a lot of pain.
They want to keep their
Edwards turning on Wiggins. Got the bucket. Timeout, Golden State. Edwards. A number of moves. Left hand. Nicely done, Anthony Edwards.
Missed some big ones down the stretch, but hit a big one and then took a big one and came back to his antics again. Beating Jonathan Isaac off the bounce, man, and is having his way pickup.
And we'll get into this in the second half, but Dallas getting another point guard after letting Brunson go. Great bucket in the lane by Edwards. Now it's Jeff Green on. Step back for 3. Cash at the horn.
Go through him, you get Gobert a foul.
Now long range Edwards for 3. That's good. And suddenly
as he drops that ball inside of Mark and two in the foul too. He got body contact on that though. Quickly coming back.
Anthony Edwards did all his damage at 14 in the first quarter. He'll drive inside and drop it home.
That's what he's good at. Really good job of taking care of the ball. Only 6 turnovers so far.
Edwards flicking the wrist deep.
Able to set up to meet him at the basket.
There's space. Edwards right over Marketing. A quick
waiting for Jaren. Conley deals. Edwards picked up by Brooks. Got the step, got to the cup, and got it to drop. Anthony Edwards, 16th in the league. Edwards over Clark for 3. Edwards with 7. Meanwhile, Xavier Tillman, his second steal of the game. Edwards drives on Conchar, banks it in.
Those 2 slow steps.
A lot of oohs and ahs in here for the rest of the year.
Straight line drive. Anthony Edwards to the basket.
And he likes
sing for me.
Was it dead for you in there?
Yeah, it was. It was. So I'm glad we're back to normal now. We can resume some sense of normalcy and see if the Mavericks can get things pointed back in the right direction. Right now, they do not with the Anthony. So here we go to the final 5 minutes. It's not one of those clutch games. Edwards, look at those handles and rising and drilling that jump shot.
He's become a leader
tonight, and they are loving what Dallas is doing right now. This home crowd, full-throated, yelling defense, but there's no defense for Anthony.
Before the All-Star break. Oh, nice move. Edwards on fire.
Lighting the fuse, baby.
Edwards. Off the bounce. Hangs and hits, and there's the first basket for Anthony.
For the rebound. He's off to a good start. Edwards just hit a 3 from there. Westbrook guards him, and Edwards sticks one right in his face. Oh, Anthony Edwards. Kyle Anderson. Anthony Edwards, he's the guy they want handling the ball down the stretch. Pull up over. Vanderbilt is huge. Anthony Edwards as he's silent.
Here's Edwards. Going to the left hand. Wow. Anthony Edwards. Getting loud. Trying to rally their squad. Here's Edwards. Wow, staying with them. Edwards off the glass. Got it.
I mean, you got to give credit where credit is due. That was a
Anderson leaves it for Edwards. Tucker loves the challenge. Edwards, step back.
If he's able to do other things to stay on the court when his shot is not falling, that's going to give him the minutes. Oh, the step back 3 from Anthony. Stay on the shot clock for Edwards. Pulls up on Bridges.
That rhythm dribble that he gets when the clock is running low.
Shot clock winding down. Edwards back on the scoreboard. 5. He's going to have to put it up quickly. In the lane. Beautiful Euro. Wolves down 3. Edwards at the controls. Step back 3. Edwards driving, puts it up and in.
Be their 15th road win of the season. Edwards, another 3. Timeout for Quinn Snyder.
Gobert to get out there and contest that Marcus Smart shot.
Edwards, little fade over Brown.
He said he's here for it, and so are we.
Edwards, swish. Edwards on an island with Smart. And foul called. Bucket.
Edwards knows Curry has 3 fouls right now. Anthony Edwards coming alive here. He's got little second side action to Anthony Edwards. Drives it on Monk.
tell you what, he's slick with it. But underneath to Gobert. Shot clock down to 4. Edwards puts it on the floor and kisses it in with the left hand off the window.
Ball, maybe get him on the second side and let him attack off of that.
All right, thanks, Coach.
Thank you.
All right, Ross Durant, 3 for 13 from the floor.
Create sticky situations, right? Because Carl's holding the basketball in the low post and looks more like himself this afternoon.
Beautiful left-hand finish for Edwards. Anthony Edwards has been part of all 7 points in this 7-0 Timberwolves run. And there are 3 more. Portland scored a... Edwards nearly lost the dribble, regains it, goes up and over Watford. Picks up the dribble, Conley gets it back to Edwards. And in the lane, left hand, and one.
Edwards gets fouled by Curry. Flow is just even more impressive. Edwards, rhythm dribble into the 3. Now let me tell you this. You do not want that man to get going. Right? The Wolves started 0 for 4, and now they are 3. He's not even sitting down. That's how much this gamer wants to get back in. As Edwards hits the side-stepping jumper. And let me tell you, here's Edwards, guarded by O'Neal. Edwards step back 3 is good. Anthony Edwards.
As much because you have the sports scientists saying we need to rest guys, and you know there aren't the 2 and 3 hour practices that we had on days in between games. But is that a good thing or bad?
Edwards drives at Dort, plunks it up and in. Anthony Edwards now with 8 points. Minnesota
On that opportunity there.
The 5th most efficient offense in the NBA. Meanwhile, Anthony Edwards, the Ant-Man.
This season, 34-7, and when Jokic has played, they're 31-3 in this building this season. Edwards in his 3rd quarter. Just how far can this Denver team run? They are stacked from top to bottom. Speaking of stacked, Anthony Edwards. Walker across the paint, now to Edwards. 6 to shoot. Sizes up Caldwell Pope. Spins, fades, he buries it! Gigantic shot for Edwards. Edwards. Gordon defends on a switch, crossover 3, he got it! And especially here at home. Edwards, you know that he's going to garner a lot of attention after how well he has played. 3 straight games of 30-plus points entering tonight. Edwards up high, and he scores.
And he's just in a nice rhythm right now.
So this good, solid start for the Timberwolves continues. Edwards! This kid just keeps on coming. He's got 6 scores. 10 seconds to shoot. Edwards splits 2, extends to the rack and banks it down again. Yeah, against the terrific defender, Bruce Brown. Edwards elevates and buries it.
And it doesn't matter right there.